Mabuhay! I am Alessandra Joyce S. De Mesa from BSHM 1C. So today, I will present it to you our fine dining sequence simulation. And I thank you.
Hey, hey, hey! Loud! Bow!
Good morning po. Welcome to Stable Wagon. What name po, sir?
Jorge.
Come in, please. Excuse me, sir. May I present it to you our menu selection, sir?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I pour the water for you, sir?
Okay. Thank
Excuse
you.
me, sir. Are you ready to order, sir?
Yes. I would like to get the creamy cheese pinwheel. The next is the crab and corn soup. And last is the roasted pork loin with mashed potatoes and corn and carrots.
So I repeat the order, sir. So you have one. Excuse me, sir. May I complete your table assignment, sir? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your appetizer, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Are you ready for your next meal, sir? Excuse me, sir. This is your soup. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you ready for your next meal, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.